The following short video has been created to support your understanding of your child's progress check. If your child is in Year 7, 8 or 9, which is Key Stage 3, they will receive 3 progress checks reported back to you as parents each academic year. The timings of progress checks can be viewed in the school parental calendar on our website. These progress checks reflect the progress of your child at that point in the school year. In addition to these assessments, teachers regularly undertake ongoing assessments in the classroom through a variety of different strategies. In the final progress check of the year, form tutors will also write an additional comment. Progress check reports are emailed to parents via the Gateway app. We no longer post or send progress checks home. A Key Stage 3 progress check appears as follows. Your child's name will be at the top along with their attendance. Attendance in school is closely aligned with academic outcomes, so it's imperative that you encourage and support your child to attend. Attendance statistics are clearly displayed on the progress check. Authorised and unauthorised absence is also reported on the progress check, as well as late marks. Behaviour and achievement points are also available for you to view on this report. These are awarded in line with the school's behaviour policy, which is available on the school website. The grid below outlines your child's progress in all subjects they study. In terms of your child's progress in each subject, this will be described by one of the following words: above, on, towards, or below. These results are based on both ongoing classroom assessment and any end of topic or year exams that may have been taken by your child. Subject teachers can clarify this progress at parents' evenings. The final 3 columns are graded 1 to 4 based on the statement banks visible on the screen now, which are also provided on a separate page on your child's progress check. Your child's teacher will make these judgments based on the learning approach, behaviour and home learning they have seen in their subject. On the example here, you can see that the student is on target in the majority of subjects and is working above target in science. This is further supported by the allocation of 1s for learning approach, behaviour and home learning. An area of development for your child would be ICT, as progress is currently judged as below, with a concerning 3 allocated for learning approach, behaviour and home learning. If you have any questions about specific subject information on your child's progress check, this should be directed in the first instance to your child's subject teacher. Any general queries or concerns should be directed to your child's year leader or student manager.